Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to unbox the 55mm digital UV filter from Waka. Waka. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. Now the reason why I got this is because of the lens I got on the Canon R10. Now generically speaking, they are less expensive than the RF series, because they have RFS lenses and they are supposedly cheaper. But for me, they're still expensive. So I want to protect the lens as much as possible. And also because it's a UV filter, it does take out some of the weird glares and things like that. Supposedly. So this is 16 coats, evidently. At least that's what the advertisement said. I don't know if you can see it, but it does say Waka Ultra Slim MC UV 55mm. And if anybody is wondering, it is made in Japan. Now it does come with a really nice case. I like that very much. Snaps into place. It doesn't look like it's too hard to open up, but it's not going to just fly open on you. So I like that as well. So let's go ahead and see if we can put this thing on the camera. And with the video magic, ta-da, there it is. So we're going to open up a lens cleaner that I got separately. This did not come with the lens. The filter. So what came with the filter is just the filter and the case. Take off the hood. Now I do normally have another filter that goes on there, which is a Alora digital HD 55mm CPL. You turn a little ring there, it gets lighter and darker. Well, sometimes, especially when I'm working inside, it can get a little interesting to use this. I'm going to set that off to the side because what happens is, obviously when you're inside it's a little darker. That even makes it darker yet. And I know the camera is supposed to be able to compensate, and it does a little bit. I just felt I need something clear. Oh, and by the way, I am cleaning these off just to make real sure I don't have dust on the lens or on the inside of the filter. Double check. Yep, everything's good. Let's go ahead and put that on. Make sure we don't cross thread. Oh, that's really super duper thin. That's nice. Okay. So now I feel a little better. It's protected. Should have threads on the end of it as well. Ah, there we go. Had to play with it a little bit, but you can still have the lens hood. There we go. Okay, let's see. And yep, autofocus does work, even in dim light. So that UV filter does not interfere. That's good. That's what I wanted to see. Alrighty. Well, let's see if it interferes with the macro function of the lens. Nope, it does pretty darn good. Now let's go outside and do some testing out there. And also, it's like it does well outside in bright light. thank you very much for coming along with the unboxing of the 55mm digital UV filter from Waka. Waka Waka. And as always, have a great day.